Hi, I'm Josh Strecker with T1V. We're looking at our T1V Story product here. This is a skin for Lehigh University. And they've chosen to highlight different things within the university for their College of Business, and I'm just going to show you a few of them. The first one is they're telling some different stories about their research that they do, their alumni and their students, and you can see that you can have multiple people touching it and interacting with different areas with the same content. And if there's more than one image, people can go through there and look at that at their own leisure. We also have similarly some of their business luminaries. So this kind of goes back in time and talks about how the university got started. Again, lots of content for the end user to explore as they need to. They have this really great timeline, which I love. And this just allows the end user to scroll through to find out more information. If there's anything in particular they want to find out more information about, they can touch any one of these light boxes or windows that we have here. If they want to jump forward, of course, they can do that as well by using the buttons at the bottom. And then finally, they talk about some of the faculty research that they're doing at Lehigh University. And this really great graphic has a number of great keywords and things that they do, but these large buttons are interactive. And so someone could open this up and find out more information about what the faculty is doing for things like decision and technology analytics and all those kind of things. So this is a great example of T1V Story that we're very proud of. And if you'd like to learn more about T1V Story, you can visit t1v.com.